Hello, 大家好, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have another very practical Chinese lesson for your daily life. We will learn common Chinese shopping sentences. These expressions are super useful when you go shopping in China. You can use them in clothing stores, mall, or shops. So in this video, you will learn basic greetings for shopping, sentences about size and colors, phrases for trying on clothes, asking for price and discount, and simple checkout line. Every key sentence have pinyin, English translation, and repeat after me practice. Let's start now. First, let's learn simple greetings when you walk into a store. 您好 means hello. Sometimes when you enter a shop, the shop assistants may ask you what you need, what you are looking for, or follow you around. And if you don't have anything special to buy and you're just looking around, you can use this sentence. 我随便看看 I'm just looking around. If you actually need help and want them to find something for you, you can say 我想要 I want. Repeat after me. 您好我随便看看我想要 Okay, when you have found the items you like, you may still have questions about its color or size. You can use these sentences. 有大一号的吗 Do you have a larger size? 有小一号的吗 Do you have a smaller size? 我的尺码是可以帮我找一下吗 My size is Could you help me find it? 有别的颜色吗 Do you have other colors? Repeat after me. 有大一号的吗有小一号的吗我的尺码是可以帮我找一下吗有别的颜色吗Okay, now you have found the items you want and got your size. Let's learn some sentences about trying them on in the stores. 可以试穿吗 Can I try this on? 试衣间在哪里 Where is the fitting room? 很合适 It fits perfectly. Repeat after me. 可以试穿吗试衣间在哪里很合适 If you are fully satisfied with the product, color, and the size, you can tell the seller you want to buy it by saying 我想要这个I want this one. 我想买一个 I would like to buy one. Repeat after me. 我想要这个我想买一个 Next, let's learn how to ask about price and discount in shopping. Small note here, for individual stores on the street or in the markets, bargain in China is totally fine. In shopping mall, bargain doesn't work. But you still can ask if there is any discounts, because there are always some discount events going on in the whole shopping mall. 这个多少钱 How much is this? 有优惠吗 Do you have any discount? 太贵了 is too expensive. 便宜一点可以吗？ Can you make it a little cheaper? Repeat after me. 这个多少钱？有优惠吗？太贵了。便宜一点可以吗？ Finally, here are some sentences for paying and leaving the store. 我要结账。I want to check out. 可以微信支付吗？ Can I pay by WeChat? 谢谢，再见。Thanks, goodbye. Repeat after me. 我要结账。可以微信支付吗？谢谢，再见。Great! Now let's review everything we have learned today with a full shopping dialogue. I will play the shop assistant, and you will play the customer. This short conversation will cover all steps we just learned. Ready? 您好，欢迎光临。您需要点什么？好的，您随便看看。有的，您稍等。有，还有白色的和黑色的。可以，试衣间在那里。好的。150元。可以的，那给您优惠到100元。可以的，您扫这里就可以了。再见。Amazing work, everyone! Today you have learned complete shopping Chinese. You can talk about greetings, size, color, asking for price, discount, and paying out. Next time you go shopping, try these sentences. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment about what Chinese learning video you want to watch. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!